So this is the first cancer neuroscience hands-on course that I'm aware of. We sort of had this feeling that this field of cancer neuroscience is really growing quickly, but we have a lot of meetings where we all get to talk to each other, but we sort of need a place where we actually teach each other how to do these things, especially since it is the merging of two disparate areas where people with a cancer background come in and they don't have any neuroscience background and vice versa. So that's really the goal. And so as soon as we realized that there was a vacuum that needed to be filled, I realized that Cold Spring Harbor has a long history of doing this. And so it sort of was a natural fit.
It's really impressive, the number of people that we were able to bring here to Cold Spring Harbor internationally and also from all these different states, and be able to arrange a platform for all these people to interact with each other, share protocols, and discuss all the ideas.
Cancer neuroscience is really starting to understand the neural component of disease, whether it's in the central nervous system cancer or peripheral cancers. We're really starting to understand these nerves could really be orchestrating everything that's happening in the tumor microenvironment.
Nerves fire quickly on the order of milliseconds and seconds, but cancers grow on the order of weeks and months and years. And behavior changes happen on long time scales. You know, you have rhythms in your life that control basically how you go about your day. And it turns out that what we are uncovering is that tumors, whether it's in your brain or in your body, can interrupt the activity of the nerves that are in the local vicinity. And what's even more exciting is I think that they can signal long distance to structures that are sort of higher up in the neural hierarchy, because one of the functions of nerves is they sort of act as a highway for electrical impulses.
So it's really neuroscience combined with cancer biology, combined with behavior, physiology. It's really a bunch of things together. But if we don't get a handle on how this is all happening, we're really not understanding the disease as a whole. The trainees go home with a binder that has all these protocols so they can take what they learned here, go to their home institution, and have the protocol step by step for how they can apply that to their particular study.
We also sort of upload videos and spur of the moment pictures of like very specific things that you wouldn't learn if someone just told you about this protocol or even handed you the protocol, like a certain way to hold a certain forceps or something can really make or break the protocol. So that sort of inside knowledge is super important so that they can take it back with them and then hopefully teach it to other people. And then next year or in the years to come, we can sort of expand to different techniques, and then the field will just keep growing from there.